Click on Pocoyo and start dreaming. Choose a dream. Brave Captain Pocoyo and his crew prepare for a great adventure across the 7 seas. The captain and his friend Pato unfold the map to decide their course. Where will they go? Intrepid Captain Pocoyo sets out to hunt down the huge, terrifying sea beast. Beast in sight! The reckless Captain Pocoyo, ignoring the danger, directs his ship in full sail towards the gigantic marine creature. Without thinking twice, the unconscious explorer Pocoyo dives into the dark waters in search of the mysterious animal. What should Pocoyo do? In the distance, Pocoyo discovers the horrible sea beast. He swims as fast as he can to hunt it. Removing large stones, the terrible creature was actually his friend Whale. Who knows what treasures and wonders it will hide? Pocoyo has found pirate red friends and lost treasure. Unfortunately, it was so heavy that he has left it behind, taking with him a gold coin as a souvenir.